What's inside Mucus Gone, and how do these herbs actually clear your respiratory system? Let's break it down. Mucus is not the enemy. Your body produces mucus to protect your airways, trap pathogens, and keep your respiratory lining moist. But when mucus production becomes excessive, from allergies, infections, diet, or inflammation, it becomes the problem. It clogs your sinuses, it congests your lungs, it breeds bacteria. Mucus Gone combines two of the most powerful respiratory herbs on earth to address the root cause. Let's start with the first herb, comfrey. Comfrey has been used for over 2,000 years in traditional medicine for its remarkable healing properties. The active compound in comfrey is allantoin, a substance that promotes cell proliferation and tissue regeneration. Allantoin accelerates the repair of damaged mucous membranes in your airways and lungs. When your respiratory lining is irritated and inflamed, comfrey helps rebuild it. Comfrey also contains rosmarinic acid, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that reduces swelling in the airways. Less swelling means better airflow. Better airflow means less congestion. Comfrey has expectorant properties. It helps loosen and thin mucus so it can be expelled from the lungs and airways naturally. It also has demulcin properties. It soothes and coats inflamed tissue, reducing irritation and the cough reflex. Now the second herb, fenugreek. Fenugreek is one of the most studied herbs for mucus management. It contains mucilage, a soluble fiber that when it contacts the mucous membranes, draws water into the mucus and thins it. Thinner mucus is easier for your body to move and expel. Fenugreek is a natural expectorant and mucolytic. It breaks down and loosens mucus from the bronchioles, sinuses, and nasal passages. Fenugreek also has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce swelling in the airways. It supports lymphatic drainage, helping your body move debris and cellular waste away from the respiratory tract. It also supports digestive health, and this matters because a congested gut produces more systemic inflammation, which contributes to mucus overproduction. How they work together. Comfrey repairs and soothes the respiratory lining. Fenugreek thins and loosens the mucus itself. Together, they address the full cycle, reducing the inflammation that causes overproduction, breaking down existing mucus, and helping the body expel it cleanly. This formula covers the full respiratory system, your sinuses, your bronchioles, your lungs, your throat, top to bottom, front to back. What happens when you take Mucus Gone consistently? Your airways open, your breathing deepens, chronic congestion that you've lived with for years starts to clear. Your body begins expelling what it's been holding. You breathe like you're supposed to. Mucus Gone. 2 herbs, 1 purpose. Clear your airways, breathe fully, live better. Mucus Gone. Jamaica Health Box. Come home, come healthy, live long.